Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about different skills and uh, teach you how you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms and how to earn good money. So in today's video, I will teach you how you can design a calendar and sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So I'm going to Fiverr to check out that is there is a demand of this skill or not. So I am on Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the best freelancing marketplace. So I write here calendar design and there are 780 results. This means very low competition and people are getting orders here. So I click on this to analyze his gig. He charged $40 for one page PDF of calendar, and let's see his work. It is very easy to make calendar like these, and I will teach you in some time. So that's it. That's how we check the demand of this skill. And now let's design the calendar. So I'm choosing Canva because Canva, if I choose Photoshop, then it will take a lot of time. So Canva is easy and handy to use, and it provides us template, and we can use templates and easily make a design in 4 to 5 minutes. So I like this one. Customize. So this is a very good, like, so I am want to change the style. Yeah, I like this one, it's look good. And after that we have to change the photos. So I'm going to photo, and here I want to make look it like natural. So nature, and let's change the pictures, and that's it. That's great. And in this way you can also change the font, but I recommend you that if you want to change this, then go to styles and change from there, like this. You can also change out the color palettes, like this. It's your own choice. So in this way, after that, go to downloads and select PDF print, because people want to print this, and download it and send it to your client. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.